Look at the power of the bird down. See? The melon here is too much healthy. See? This is the power of bird dung. See? This before is old, but now see, now become a budang. There too much bloom. See, that's why the bird dung is very powerful. See how big is the fruits here. It gives big fruits. That's why if you have some birds, use this dung. It's full of strong, full of nutrients that need of the plants. This is the good example. Alhamdulillah.